Welcome to Math and Science lesson with Olaleko Badmos. I am Bukola Adediji Badmos, and today I will be your teacher. So let's get into what we have for today. So solving linear equations 2. Solving linear equations 2. What are we learning to do? You are learning to collect the like terms of a linear equation. You are also learning to use the balance method to find the value of the variable. And what are you learning for? What should you be able to do at the end of this lesson? You should be able to collect like terms and use the balance method to find the value of a variable of a linear equation. Okay, so what's a linear equation? From our last lesson, I said a linear equation is that equation whose highest degree of the variable is 1. A linear equation is that equation whose highest degree of the variable is 1. And I said that the variable is the number that is unknown. You know, it's usually represented with letters X, Y, Z, M, B, whatever. T, you can put anything there. It's usually represented with letters and is always what you are to find. It's always the unknown, what you are looking for. And going further, there are linear equations whose both sides of the equality carry same variable. Look at this example. We have 2m plus 5 equals 7m minus 15. You can see the left-hand side of the equality sign carry hem, this term here 2m, and then if you come to the right hand side you see hem 7m. This is another term 7m. This left hand side has hem, this right hand side has hem, right? In this case, what we need to do to find the value of hem is to first collect like terms. Right? Okay, and there are also terms without variables. If you look at this expression on the left hand side and look at this on the right hand side, you will see that there is x minus 5 is constant. It's a number that is not going to change. It has no attachment, it has no variable attached to it, and it's the same as minus 15. It has no variable attached to it. So in the linear equation above, you can see that both sides of the equality sign carry same variable. There is hem here and there is also hem here. And also, you can see that 2m on the left hand side and 7m is on the right hand side. This is 2m and this is 7m. Now, when you think of like terms, what should come to your mind is identical objects. Things that are the same, things that are identical. Okay, so when you think of like terms, you just think of identical objects. Now you can see these dogs here. Look at this cat, right? Look at this one, right? The zebra. Look at this shape as well. So they are all identical. So let's move. So we have examples here. We have solved the unknown in the following linear equations. And then we have two questions for us to solve. 2m plus 5 equals 7m minus 15. And 6a equals a plus 20. And we are going to solve them now. Example says to solve for the unknown in the following linear equations. And we have first one, 2m plus 5 equals 7m minus 15. And then we have 6a equals a plus 20. So let's start with the first one. Solution. So we have 2m plus 5 equals 7m minus 15. Right. Take a look at this now. We said that for you to solve linear equations like this, where you have variables on the left and on the right hand side, the first thing you do is to collect the like terms. And to collect like terms, what do? You bring the term together with the term with the same variable together. We have 2m and we have 7m. Don't forget, I said identical. The things that are the same. There is hem here and there is hem here. The variables that are the same. There is hem here and there is hem here. So we bring them together. So we have 2m. Right. This 7m wants to come and meet 2m on this left hand side. Right. And for this 7m to cross this equal to sign, it changes to negative. It changes to minus. So we have minus 7m equals to, what do we have left here? 7m is no longer here. So we have minus 15. You also do the same to the constant 5 on the left hand side. This 5 will also cross the equal to sign and come to this right hand side. And when that happens, this plus will come, this plus 5 will come here and it becomes negative. So we have minus 5. Right, so from here we have 2m minus 7m equals minus 15 minus 5. Right, we have 2m here, 2m, and we have minus 7m. It means you are owing, let's use naira. You have 2 naira, that's the 2m. You have 2 naira, right? And you are owing 7 naira. By the time you pay the person you're owing, maybe it's your brother. By the time you pay your brother the 2 naira you have in your hand, you will not still be able to settle your debt. You will not still be able to settle all that you are owing. You give 2m to pay your debt of 7m, or what you are owing, 2m minus 7, right? What do you have left here? You have minus 5m. Because you still have 5 naira to give to the person. Your 2 naira could not have finished paying your debt of 7 naira. So you have 5m minus 5m. Then we have equals to minus 15 minus 5. Minus 15 minus 5. You are to give someone 15 balls, for example, minus 15. You are to give your sister as well, maybe your brother 15 balls and your sister 5 balls. You are to give it out. That's the negative. It's not yours. You're owing, or you are to give out to someone, right? So minus plus minus, minus 15 minus 5 will give us minus 20. Right. So we have minus 5m on the left hand side and we have minus 20 on this right hand side. For us to get the value of m, we are going to take away the attachment that is with m, the coefficients, the number that is before m, which is the coefficients. And how do we do that? We're going to divide both sides. Don't forget that we said for equations, for whatever you do to the right hand side, for linear equations, you also do to the left hand side. So you're dividing both sides by minus 5. Right, so we have minus 5m over minus 5 equals to minus 20 over minus 5, right? So the minus 5 will cancel out the minus 5. And here, minus will cancel out minus. So what do we have here? We have m equals to 5 and 20. 20 divided by 5, you have 4. So our m equals to 4. Right. If you want to check if your answer is correct, you can come here to put 4 where you have m, you put 4 where you have m, and you check if your answer is correct. So let's do the second one. 6a equals to a plus 20. Right? 6a equals to a plus 20. Now take a look at this one as well. You can see that there are identical variables. Variable a is on this side. Variable a is also on this side. So what do? You collect the like terms. We have 6a as a term here. We also have a as another term here. So you bring the ones that are the same, that have the same variable together. So we say 6a minus, don't forget, once a crosses to this other side, once it crosses to the left hand side, it becomes minus a equals to, what do we have left here? equals to 20, right? Now, 6a minus 5a minus a will give us 5a. And then this is equal to 20, right? To get the value of a, what do? You take away the coefficients, take away the attachment that is with a, and that will give us divide both sides by 5. So we have 5a over 5 equals to 20 over 5. 5 we cancel out 5. And a, let me take it up. A will be equal to 4. Now, we've come to the end of this lesson. Let me know if you're not clear on anything in the comment section, or let me know if you have questions. Thank you.
All right. So I hope that lesson was effective enough to help your understanding and to help you learn better. I want to believe that you've gotten better than before. So if you have not subscribed, do well to do that. Subscribe, like, and share. Share to everyone around you so you can get more notifications. Thank you. Bye.